got 4 or 5 minutes left. Hey all. Okay, hey all. I plan to go into education the next year in spring or fall. And when I did my research at Tacoma Community College, I realized I'd be $10,000 in debt. I'm not even sure I'm going to be able to go to college because I'm still figuring out how I'm going to pay for it because I take out loans. As that one woman said, it's probably going to be $90,000 in debt, and I don't want to be stuck with that debt, so we need to fight back against interest rates and student debt and get it as low as possible or get educated free because it is a human right. And everyone deserves to have an education no matter who you are or where you came from. Any more speakers at all? Come on forward, you guys.
Yay.
You look like you're an REI.
I'm really lucky because I don't have any student debt because somebody decided that what I was studying was important, so the government's going to pay me to learn statistics. But that's just like pure luck and privilege right there. But I'm here because I see my friends who are doctors who want to serve lower income communities rack up tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt at med school and then be pushed into a situation where they can't make enough money and serve low income communities. My boyfriend who I live with can't always pay his half of the rent because he's paying off his student loans while working as a social worker. He works way harder than I have to work to pay to go to school, and he can't make enough money because priorities are so out of whack. And I think in particular the woman who spoke, who's a teacher and a social worker, that's just complete bullshit. That we can't pay people to do that. We can't pay people to go to school to do that anymore.
We have just a couple. Hello, all right. We have just a couple minutes left before we're scheduled to march. We have red squares over here. We have flyers. We have signs and earplugs. If anybody feels like they need any of those things.
Earplug.
Anybody need earplugs? Earplugs? Anyone at all? Over here on my right.
Hey buddy, how you doing? What's up, man?
Signs you'd like to use them?
We
We also have red belt squares.
having fun. Nothing weird.
Solidarity with the Montreal.
Protest. Oh no!
The very same thing. Montreal.
Hey buddy, how you doing?
Great to see you, man.
Good to see you, my friend.
They're doing it. Follow their example.
You can't get real hugs with this on. It's weird. You cuddle it.
I like it though.
Next I can hold the sign still. We're holding the camera. I hate not holding the sign. It throws me off. I hate not being able to actually scream and protest. I'm happy Travis is going to start holding the camera every now and then so I can actually just do a protest for you. We're going to be marching here in a minute. How's everybody doing today? We're out here in Seattle.
Anyone like to wear or carry a sign?
Please! This is the Student Noise Debt Brigade March. Happens on Wednesday. We start meeting up around 7 and we march at 8. And we do this every Wednesday for fun. Until they give us free education, I think we'll be here. So I think we'll be here for a while. Yay! He's got the same, almost the same sign on that I have. Hope everybody wears a red square. After the end of the march, we always have a picnic, which is really nice. And now we have one of the food organizations that serves people food up here on the street all the time. They're going to give us food tonight. Yeah. Solidarity! I didn't... We always have our friend Anonymous here. He is our ally. Always remember that. Everybody's quiet, so nobody talks really to me. I get bored sometimes. If you have questions, please ask.
That's why I found them originally. All right. You're right, thanks. But I've been sitting out feelers. Like that one guy, he lived down the street from me, so I talked to him yesterday. Doing outreach with everyone I see.
Hockey doggies. Yay. That does kill dreams. Big ballooning. If you actually look at the wage increase from 1995 to 2011, the wage increase for a 4-year degree is less than $1,000. It peaked up there back in 1999 was the peak year for, you had $56,000 as your average cost of your 4-year degree.
Time to run.
You have more than 50. Just make sure the permit's good. You got Jeff, come on in. That's always my favorite song. I love this song. Let everybody know it's not just us, it's everybody. good blood today. We're here in Seattle. Student Noise Death Brigade March. We love to make some noise. We didn't do this last Wednesday because we had the money drop. We did a $5,000 money drop here in Seattle. Which was real fun. We're already starting to work on planning the next. Seattle is the Student Noise Death Brigade. We're at SCCC College, the corner of Pine and 8th, I think. And we're walking through the campus corridor right now. Not here. I don't have anybody that I can beat on their pots right now. You might as well join us. You got student death. Come on. You might as well join us. Come on.
right?